In this lecture, you will learn what's PHP comments. Comments are notes within your code that are ignored by the PHP interpreter. They help explain what the code does, make it easy for other and yourself to understand it later. We have two types of comments. One will be single line comment and another will be multi-line comment. Like for example, here we will have two variables $var2 equal to 10 and I wanna echo $var plus $var2 and then put here semicolon and refresh the page. Look at this, we have 130. But here I wanna pass another value to $var equal to $var plus 20 and then save, refresh the page, we have 150. Why? Because here we have 120 and here we have 20 again and we have 10 right here. But I don't want to execute this line, I want to comment this line, we have to slash and then save. Let me refresh the page, we will have 130. And maybe we have this comment with just hash sign. Save and refresh the page, it's working like before. But sometimes we have multi-line comment. Look at this, I don't want to create var2 variable like this one and I don't want to echo this result like this. We have 4 lines, but we can do this just in one comment, which we can call multi-line comment. How we can do this? Let me uncomment this and this as well and put here slash asterisk. This is the comment start area and I want to end comment right here, then put here asterisk and then slash. Now we have these 4 lines as a comment. You can put here tab button. We have just 1 line in our file. Save the changes and refresh the page. Look at this, we have 120 in result.